The engine of looting public funds in Zimbabwe under the Mnangagwa regime is the Minister of Finance. Asperi Moshe Zimbabwe, tona panapa upo chikono ubuda kanyoretsa kachiti, please reshare. Achiti fambisai nawo isvike kwese. Sari kutamira mashoko abuda nyora subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Anapa in paka nyora chiti. The ministry is purported to have given $11.7 million to other departments, yet the Auditor General found that only $8.4 million was accounted for. 3.3 million was looted. The Permanent Secretary, George Gwamatanga, is accused of asking for bribes to facilitate the release of funds to pay invoices. The Minister of Finance, Mthuli Ncube, is a failed banker who is also a South African citizen and is building massive mansions in the Johannesburg, South Africa. The fact that the Minister of Finance, which is supposed to be responsible for managing public funds, is actually engaging in bribery and embezzlement is astounding. George Gwamatanga's alleged role in demanding bribes to release public funds is not only reprehensible and indicative of the systemic rot within the ministry, but it is also disgusting, especially as it is happening when Zimbabweans are dying in dilapidated hospitals. Mashoko ari expose pana hupo chikuona chiti aiwa Minister of Finance yakumba ma state funds and taxpayers money. People are building mansions outside of Zimbabwe, but ma hospitals are dilapidated. Hospital chikuona ari expose massive looting nekurashia munyika yeZimbabwe. Tudze mafundo emoti kudipa musoro mashoko ake inagome